Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to start new topic number 1.4, big data, big insights. Now, data, we all knows about data, mobile data for example, and mobile data, this became familiar terms for all of us. So this topic is related to our daily life, where mobile phone is becoming necessary gadget of our life. This mobile is now become mini computer which we use commonly in every sector of our life. But can we give a single thought whatever we search or watch on mobile phone can be recorded by someone, that is your every activity is stored in the form of a data which become big data. Writer says that our food habits, our health rate, our health care, our travelings, our scientific pursuits, our every activity has been recorded by using the data. And in this chapter, in this lesson, we have learned same things, that is in what way data, big data and big insights can be used in our daily life. So let us start with icebreaker activity. Here give business suggestion to the respective industry company for the following situation. One is done for you. Now, what is our activity? Give business suggestions to the respective industry. That means these are various types of industries or various types of company, and situation is given to you. Now, according to the situation, we have to suggest what remedies can be there, what solutions can we give to them. So first situation is given here. Number one, many passengers prefer morning flights between say 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. from Mumbai to Delhi. Now this is one of the situation. Many passengers prefer morning flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. from Mumbai to Delhi. Then what is the suggestion? Suggestion is, for example, suggestion is given here. What is the suggestion? Increase the number of flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. This is the suggestion. If number of flights increase, then it can be managed. So this suggestion is given. Now first situation is given, second situation is there. Many students are opting for UPSC or MPSC exams. Many students are opting for UPSC and MPSC exam. Nowadays, competitive exams are become inevitable part of our life. So there are so many students who tried for UPSC and MPSC examination. Now UPSC means Union Public Service Commission. This is central government's exam, and MPSC means Maharashtra Public Service Commission. It is called as Maharashtra Lok Seva Ayog. By giving these examinations, you can achieve different kind of posts like Tahsildar, Sale Tax Inspector, PSI, or if you tried for UPSC, you can become IAS officer, that means collector, commissioner, etc. Several several parts of UPSCs are there. Several sections are there for MPSC also, and one of the good career prospects for such students are there. So many students are opting for UPSC, MPSC exam. What suggestion you can give? Now, if many students are appear for this examination, then it is very important that there should be a number of centers should be increased for that purpose, so that it is very easy access for students to appear for the examination. For example, in our Thane district, several students appear for such kind of examination. If Kalyan center is there, then it is very easy for you, for the people of Shahpur also, to go there and appear for the examination. That means if number of examination centers will be increased, then it is very easy. So apart from that, if in our school or colleges some guidance centers will be open for the training purpose of UPSC and MPSC, then it's very easy for students to crack the examination. So this is also one option. Lot of suggestions can we suggest, but if number of exam centers will be increase, then it is very easy access for students to give MPSC and UPSC exam, but it is very hard. If we try, you will certainly get good success. So let us try for UPSC and MPSC examination. Third part, many people go for a morning walk to Kamla Nehru Park. Now this is the situation. Many people go for morning walk to Kamla Nehru Park. Now what's happened? If many people go for morning walk, then crowd is there. So what suggestion you give? The suggestion is maybe you can suggest take care of the cleanliness of the park, and one of the important part is safety is very important. So increase the safety measures so that Kamla Nehru Park can be safe for the old people or any kind of people. That means increase the safety and increase the cleanliness drive so that people can go there and enjoy the morning walk. Okay, now next situation, many people buy clothes from miracle.com, an online shopping site. Wow. Nowadays it became one of the trend that we buy from different kinds of online shopping sites. For example, Flipkart, Amazon, lot of sites are there, but these are popular sites. Snapdeal. Many people buy clothes from miracle.com, an online shopping site. Now what suggestion you give to them? If many people can buy, then what suggestion you give? I can give them one of the good suggestion. Increase the number of delivery centers of site. Increase the number of delivery sites so that customer can get easy satisfaction. And if delivery is prompt delivery, then the customer can really approach to them easily, so that delivery center can be increased. This is suggestion. Next situation, the viewership on television is more between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. This is one of the general survey, that viewership, that means audience, generally we watch television at the time of 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Now this is the situation. Now what can you do? The viewership on television is more between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. In this slot, if television channels show family programs or popular programs, then it is good for the viewers to take delight of such kind of programs. So choose the popular shows to be put in that slot so that viewer can watch popular programs. Okay, these are the suggestions. There may be various suggestion or various suggestion by you also. So situations are given here and accordingly suggest. Now second part, people get information from various sources. Can you name a few sources of information? These are the sources. For example, Facebook. Lot of nowadays it's become customary for all of us to visit WhatsApp, Twitter, newspaper, television, or Instagram, or there may be films, blogs, reporter, pamphlets. All these are various kinds of sources where we get information, and now we all become techno savvy and enjoy that part. Okay, here we stop and turn to next part.